Hey y'all, it's your girl G and I'm back with another video. Today we have red velvet Chips Ahoy cookie cheesecake, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all how I make this. First I'm gonna start off with two 8-ounce packs of Philadelphia cream cheese. Then I'm gonna go in with about 3 cups of sugar. Then I'm gonna go on and add 3 large eggs. Now after adding the eggs, I'm gonna go ahead and combine all the ingredients together. Next, I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. After mixing the cheesecake, I'm going to take a small portion of it and put it in a small bowl so that we can use it for coloring our decorations. Now I'm going to take a good amount of our red food coloring and color the cheesecake so that it is bright red. Now I'm going to take a graham cracker pie crust and I'm going to take our cheesecake and fill the entire pan. Now I'm going to take our small portion of our red cheesecake and I'm going to put small droplets all around the cheesecake. Next, I'm going to take a skewer and draw lines all up and down the cheesecake to create a marble effect. Next, we're going to put our cheesecake in the oven at 350 for about an hour. Next, I'm going to take some red velvet Chips Ahoy cookies and crumble pieces all across our cheesecake. And I'm going to lightly slide the cookies down all around the edges of our cheesecake. Now I'm going to take some vanilla icing, in which I use confectioner's sugar and whipping cream, and drizzle it all around the rim of the cookies. Now we have a beautiful red velvet Chips Ahoy cookie cheesecake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.